Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V29 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening an app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen. Now we have to enter the settings which are on this panel. If you cannot find them, no worries, 3 dots icon and the settings will appear right here. So let's enter the settings, tap on the languages, and here we've got the list of all currently applied keyboard layouts. We've got only English, so let's tap on add keyboard, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So as you can see, we've got plenty of options to choose from, and basically after finding the language, simply tap on it. So let me pick maybe Urdu one. So let me find it. It is right here. Let's tap on the region, and here we've got the keyboard types. The amount of them depend on the particular language, because sometimes you will have only one keyboard layout and up to 7 or 10 different keyboard types from which you can pick. So let me pick this one. Let's simply mark it and untick this option, so we will use only this layout. Let's tap on done. And as you can see, the Urdu language has been immediately applied. If you want to leave only one language applied, so for example, let's pretend that I would like to remove English immediately, so I will have only this one. Let's simply tap on this edit icon, mark English, of course in my case, and tap on this trash bin icon. And English will disappear, we will have only Urdu. However, let me leave it like this, because I'd like to show you also how to use the keyboard with 2 different languages added. So let's go back to the keyboard. And right now we've got 2 differences. So the first thing is the globe icon, the language key, which will allow us to switch through the keyboard layouts. So as you can see, we've got English and the Urdu one. And the second difference actually is the spacebar, which is not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we're currently using, which is extremely useful, especially when you've got layouts which are for different languages, but they are really similar to each other. So you can always check which one you've got applied currently. So basically this is how it works. Let me quickly remove the language, but in my case I will remove Urdu. So let's, as I said, tap on the pencil icon, mark the language, and tap on the trash bin icon. And as you can see, we've got only English left, and after getting back you can see that we do not have the globe icon, the spacebar is empty, which means that we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.